we are here at Shangri-La Mall, and apparently there's a LaUnion's Fairest 2024 Trade Fair. So, LaUnion Trade Fair. Seaweed hand soap, okay. Mushroom crisps. Some carnivorous plants over here. Woodworks over here. What is that? That is Delis. Cool looking eagle throne. We're gonna go around first. Hello, Mallrat. Good Mallrat to you. It is November 14, 2024, and we are here at Shangri-La Mall, and apparently there's a LaUnion's Fairest 2024. It's a trade fair, I guess, involving a bunch of LaUnion stuff. So let's take a look. Hey, there you go. So, LaUnion Trade Fair. Okay. Let's check out what they have. Hey. So, what's your path? We're gonna go around here. So they got woodworks over here. We had a bunch of interesting woodworks. Painting there. There's a nice songka table over there. I don't know how many people still know how to play songka, but I barely remember how. LGU Sudipen. Oh, so that's that there. The Seno Creations. Cute Christmas looking things. Here's the food. LGU Agoo. Mushroom crisps. Alamang, bangus in olive oil, bunch of mushroom vegan and stuff. Not really vegan, they're vegetarian. This is San Fernando. So this is official. It's official, I guess. This is vinegar, wine, that's new. Calamansi juice, I think lemon concentrate, calamansi concentrate. Okay. What is that? That is Delis. Okay. This is LGU Aringay. Okay. This one has bangus, calabasa chips, a bunch of veggie chips, mostly bangus, mango wine, mango vinegar. Interesting. Okay. LGU Bacnotan. The high Bacnotan pasalubong. They got soap. Sibon. Seaweed hand soap. Okay. Oh, that's first Bacnotan. Sounds familiar, actually. They got honey, vinegar, bunch of other things. This one is LGU Naguilian. This is one of the ways to Baguio, I think. That is sugarcane wine. Okay. Rice wine, veggie flakes, soybean chicharon. Really? Soy chicharon. Alam guys. Okay. This one is handicrafts, and it does say handicraft trading. It's a bunch of heat pads. Look at that. This one is Rio's Furniture and Handicrafts. So it's more carved wood. Looks interesting, actually. It's just right in time for Christmas season. It's a manger scene. It's a kid carrying a thing, turtle shell. I don't know. Pretty cool handicrafts. Keychains, some useful plates. Those bangkos look pretty cool. We're gonna go around first. We're gonna do this thing in a single shot, I guess. Okay. You have J&S Furniture Handicrafts. This bar looks pretty cool, probably expensive. Some pot holder, not holders, things place hot pots and shit. Some wooden Buddhas, tables and chairs, and more furniture. LaUnion Carp MSME. It's not carp, it's in the fish. It's, I forgot what that means. Some agriculture thing. Mango vinegar. Sukara. Homemade spiced vinegar. Okay. Bunch of veggie chips. Turmeric rice cookies. Ooh, okay. Steaks. Okay. This one is Halog West Producers Co. Chichacorn. So we saw that earlier. It's a chichacorn. This one is Noguera's Weaving. It's a bunch of fabrics. Pretty cool looking fabrics. Cake hangs, tie-dye apparel shop. So cute pasalubong stuff I see. Ooh, Christmas stuff. This one's Bauang Crochet Association. This one's near the beach, I think. So that's cute. Bunch of Christmas stuff. Hey. RP Lucina's Loom Weaving. Oh, those patterns look pretty nice. Ooh, these blankets look pretty nice, actually. And not too simple. Northway Arts and Crafts. A bunch of bags, baskets, and whatnot. Let's go check what's on the other side. Okay. So on the other side, let's check the other side. Okay, PGLU Pasalubong. Okay. A bunch of figures. We'll see that again later on the way out. Looks like it's more mango wine or honey. LaUnion stuff. This is Monster Plant Nursery. They have some carnivorous plants over here, which is always interesting. I'll be checking these out later. These flag wraps. Okay, a bunch of nice fun terrarium stuff. I will be asking about those later. And here's JP's Bake Shop. So some food stuff. So pastries and pasalubong stuff. Yeah, cookies. Oh, there's cookies. That's nice. Cookies. Okay, special fruit cake, cheese loaf, banana. Okay, let's circle around because I think I see some pastillas on the other side of this. Oh, some more woodcraft over here. Renzekia woodcraft. Creepy statues. Cool looking eagle throne. Yeah, so I'm sitting in that. That's cool. Okay. Then let's take a look at what's on the other side. So Cafe Esperanza. What's this one? Yeah, it's probably mango wine or spiced vinegar. So is that? Oh, they have a menu, price list. They have cakes. So it's like food, macaroons, and stuff. Okay. Gourmet tuyo. Spiced vinegar. Yep. Familiar table artisan chocolate and cafe. This one has chocolate, I see. They have chocolate. Familiar table. Artisan chocolate. It's actual chocolate. Okay. This one is Uncle Tom's food product. Uncle Tom food product. Nice. Uncle Tom looks very different from what I expected. Sukang Iloilo, wild ceiling labuyo nagas. So, mulberry tea. Didn't even know we had mulberry here in the Philippines. I'm not sure if it's real mulberry, but that's what they say. Oh, I know this place. I've bought some of their stuff. That soy sauce is actually pretty nice. Higher end than the usual industrial slop you get. Sukang Iloilo. That's nice. That is chili garlic. Yeah, it's chili garlic. Alright. This one is L&D Citrus Farm. We had a bunch of juices. Kalamansi for $100 a kilo. What is that? Lemons. Kilo Dayak. Okay. Okay. That's not bad. Cool. It's juice. Let me taste. Ooh, here's my jam. Boada dried fish training. I'll be asking about these later. Looks like there's a bunch of espada. Those are cutlass fish. What else? Dilis. Bone dilis and bones. Welcome pusit and dried pusit. May iba pala yun. Interesting. This one is Sagat Crust Food House. It's empanada but round. Okay. Oh, 50 bucks per empanada. That's actually not that bad. That's a dining din. That just sounds funny. This one is Lomboy Farms. And they have sayote and sile. And then about grape jelly. What's that? Okay. So sili paninga. Ooh. 20 bucks a kilo. It's actually not that bad. Or sili Taiwan, whatever that is. One of these probably. And all these are guapons. I thought these were sayote. Grape jelly. Grape pickles. That is interesting. That's interesting. Okay. And then, ooh, grape stuff. Ubas Cafe. Mixed pickles. I see garlic, onion, and sea leaf. It's interesting. Weird prices. No, that's the wine. Serves. Where's the pickle? There you go. That's pickles. 60 bucks per bottle. So what's it? Grapes. Ubas Cafe. That's funny. These pickles look really cool, bro. Look at that. So that's onions, sile, and garlic. Whole cloves, by the way. That's interesting. It gives me an idea making that stuff at home. Okay. And then standard grape salsa and all that stuff. Wine. Look at that. Local Filipino wine made from grapes. I didn't even know we did that here. But I guess we do. And that's it. Alright. That's the secretariat. It's a small place. It's just here in Shangrila, in the center area of Shangrila, so it's not that big. But there. Here's the tourism part, but they're not here anymore. Usually whenever Shangri-La has some trade fair, there's usually some tourist travel desks down here with a bunch of resorts. I guess they just left their brochures and stuff, so they're still here. Alright, LaUnion Awesome Hotel. Let's check these out. Wonderful resorts, okay. Nice. Alright, LaUnion. So, it is. That's interesting. And same people. Okay. There you go. So that was LaUnion's Fairest 2024. The LaUnion Tourism and Trade Fair. Okay. November 14 to 18, Shangri-La Mall. Anyway, Mallrat out. And yeah. Mallrat out.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat